Objection handling and success rate of LIC agents. The truth about objections. Objections are not rejection. They are signals that client is thinking, evaluating, and trying to understand. Golden rule is that if the client is objecting, the client is still interested. Your job is not to fight the objection. Your job is to understand, reframe, and guide. Three-step formula for handling any objection. Step 1. Listen without interrupting. Let the client finish fully. Maintain calm body language. Show respect and patience. Why? Because 70% of objections disappear when the client feels heard. Step 2. Acknowledge and validate. Use softeners like I understand. That's a valid point. Many of my successful policyholders felt the same initially. This reduces resistance and opens the mind. Step 3. Reframe with value. Shift the conversation from cost to benefit, from premium to protection, from today's burden to tomorrow's security. Let us take some example of reframing. Sir, premium is temporary, but protection is permanent. This is not an expense. This is a responsibility. You are not buying a policy. You are buying peace of mind for your family.
Now there are the 5 most common LIC objections and winning responses. 1. Premium is too high. 2. I will think about it. 3. I don't have money right now. 4. I already have insurance. 5. Let me discuss with my wife or husband.
The 5 most common LIC objections and winning responses. Number 1. Premium is too high. Reframe. Sir, premium is high only when the value is low. Let me show you what your family receives in return. Number 2. I will think about it. Reframe. Of course. May I ask what exactly do you want to think about? The plan, the amount, or timing? Number 3. I don't have money right now. Reframe. I understand. That's exactly why planning is important. When emergencies come, money is always short. Insurance protects you from that situation. Number 4. I already have insurance. Reframe. That's great. Responsible people always start early. Let's check if your current coverage matches today's and future's cost of living. Number 5. Let me discuss with my wife or husband. Reframe. Absolutely. This is a family decision. Let's do one thing. Let me explain the benefits clearly so you can discuss confidently. The psychology behind high success rate. People buy emotionally, justify logically. Your tone, confidence, and empathy matter more than your product. Trust beats product knowledge. Clients don't buy plans, clients buy you. Consistency creates conversions. Follow up is not disturbance. Follow up is professional responsibility. The 4 metrics that increase success rate. Metric: daily calls, meaning 20 to 30 calls per day. Impact: more conversations leads to more prospects, leads to more conversion. Metric: weekly meetings, meaning 30 to 40 meetings in a week. Impact: face to face meeting builds trust. Metric: follow up ratio, meaning 3 to 5 follow ups per prospect. Impact: converts maybe into yes. Metric: objection mastery, meaning practice 10 objections daily. Impact: Confidence increases closing rate. Closing technique. The yes ladder. Ask small questions that lead to final yes. Example. You agree that family security is important. You agree that emergencies come without warning. You agree that planning early is better. Then the final close. So, shall we start with the plan today?
Final message for life insurance agents.
Final message. Objections are not obstacles, they are opportunities to show your expertise, empathy, and leadership. A great agent does not avoid objections, a great agent masters them. If you want, you can also join Objection Handling Master Course in Bengali version. You can get a demo class recording video. In this course, you will get 8 main classes and 10 video classes, and also PDF style handouts, role play dialogues, and ready scripts in your mother tongue Bengali. Just tell us what you want next. I am your friend, writer, and trainer, Pallab Kumar Manna. You can contact me directly to my mobile number 9735 869416.